Nung una medyo natakot akong i-approach si Lonnie. Na-intimidate ako, of course. But then, it just really takes time for him to warm up. And it's nice kasi ayun yung gusto mong klase ng friendship na parang mas naging open kayo sa isa't isa na without rushing things.
I got more comfortable with it. I mean, she knows this. I don't really open up to a lot of people. Hindi talaga kasi it takes a while for me to like warm up to someone and to be vulnerable. But I think it happened with Belle kasi I know I trust her, you know.
Some conversations will lose track of time. Have I told you lately I'm grateful you're mine? We'll watch The Notebook for the 17th time. I say it's stupid, then you catch me crying. We're not making out on
Kasama ko siya, nare-recharge pa rin ako. Wala rin ako nakita ibang gusto kong makasama kundi siya.
I'm so proud of him. I really am. You say you don't deserve the recognition. Well, I think you do because you're someone who matters.
He inspires me so much.
shut up.
I wouldn't want to spend this journey with anyone else.
I can't see myself being paired up with anyone else.
I'm here to support her and believe in her kasi kaya pa niya. Kaya pa niya.
You've been inspiring a lot of people, and a lot of people really don't look up to you, and I'm one of them.